In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove card details from Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to safely remove a saved card so future purchases won't use it. Make sure you have a steady internet connection and that your Alibaba app is up to date, so all the menu names match what you see here. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to load your dashboard. Keeping the app current helps ensure the payment section appears where we expect it. Next, tap Sign In and log in with your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the on-screen recovery options and then come back to this flow once you're signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the lower right and tap My Alibaba. This is your account hub. Depending on your version, the icon may look like a person or a briefcase. Opening My Alibaba takes you to all your account settings in one place. Inside My Alibaba, tap Payment. In some versions, you might see it labeled as Payment Methods or Wallet, but it serves the same purpose. This section lists the cards currently saved to your account so you can manage them. Find the card you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm the details by checking the card brand and the last 4 digits so you don't remove the wrong one. If you have multiple cards, identifying the default card is helpful. Sometimes you must switch your default to another card before removing the current one. To remove the card, tap the delete icon beside it. This is usually a small trash can or a minus symbol. Tapping it will prompt a confirmation so you don't accidentally delete a card you still need. When the confirmation appears, tap Remove. Follow any on-screen verification, such as a quick security check if it's requested. After you confirm, the card will disappear from your list of payment methods and it will no longer be available for future orders. To double check, return to the payment screen and confirm the card is gone. If the option to delete was unavailable or grayed out, ensure the card isn't set as the only default payment for active subscriptions or pending payments. Switching the default first usually resolves that. Also keep in mind that refunds for past orders typically go back to the original card even after removal. That's it. You've successfully removed your card details from Alibaba, keeping your account tidy and secure. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you follow along in your app.